Hey guys, so for this video, I will show you my current skincare routine. We are going to cleanse our skin with the TS6 Pro Bio Cleanser with the Silicone Facial Cleanser. And now I'm going to apply a hydration alcohol-free toner by Celtec. It removes the last traces of stubborn dirt after cleansing. Now we're going to apply our serums. I'm going to apply the Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Braley. It's amazing because it helps reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, retaining moisture to the skin and creating a plumping effect. And it also helps to hydrate the skin. This will also lead to a smoother, plumper skin cells. And now I'm going to apply this Vitamin C Serum by Braley. It's also an antioxidant that can help you prevent the forming of free radicals and also can give you a glowing and youthful skin. And lastly, we're going to apply our Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 15. It will protect you against damaging UVA and UVB rays and will leave your skin moisturized throughout the day. And this is my daily skincare routine. Hope it helps. Stay safe.